Yeah, guys, so as you can see from over here, I had to pause this video to just do some things from the background. Alright, so as you can see now, I've completed all these tasks and my coin has increased to 1.7 million. 1.7 million. So what I'll just do now is just go back and change the location for this my London VPN. Go back and change the location, then show you guys. So presently I'm using the United States server. I'm using the United States server. So let's change this to Germany. Let's change this to Germany. We're connected. The three locations that will give you those tasks is Germany, United States, and then London. That's the United Kingdom. You understand? Once you need to first close your Telegram app that's on your tap swap. Then you go to the Thunder VPN and choose the right location that you want to do, so that the location will now reflect. Because if you don't do that, if you come back to the tap swap, you won't see those tasks there. You won't see those tasks there. So let's it should be here. Let me see. Is it still connected? It's not connected. I don't know what is happening. I can't really just tell what is happening exactly. Why is this thing doing like this? Why is it disconnecting now? Why is it disconnecting? Connect. So make sure you are connected actually. It's to avoid you getting confused. So I'm connected now. And you notice I closed the Telegram this thing here. So let me reopen it and then read it again so you guys will get it. So that's the tab swap I'm using. Back to tab swap. Okay. Alright, so you can see I have new tasks to accomplish. Now this one will give me 600,000 coins. This is one, this is two. I have new tasks to accomplish. So let's do it together. Start mission. Wow, network today is just glorious. Network today is just wonderful. Okay. Join the Telegram channel. Click on join. See it's in German. The news is German. The news is in German. Then follow X handle. Okay, let's just open the link for us. Just once. Open X just once. Minimize it. Come back here. Wait for a while. Then click on check. Click on check also. 30 seconds, no problem. Just wait for the countdown to expire, then you click it again and you get your point. See how simple and straightforward it is. Nothing complicated, nothing very, very technical like that. So that's the beautiful thing about this piece. It rewards active participation. Someone in my community got a new bike from the money he made from Notcoin. Another lady got what's it called? She got a new device, a new phone for the money she made from Notcoin, and different testimonies. And this is just the joy. That's what actually matters in these things. You get that's what actually matters. When everybody makes money from it, you get so that's what actually matters. And now the thing is, consistency is key. I know why many of you are so eager and jumpy and so excited is because you heard people's testimony of Notcoin. But months ago that we've been doing this and we've been doing videos and sending links out, people were not even interested. Now Notcoin did well, everybody started tapping. Different projects are coming out by the minute. The truth is this, my dear. About 95 or 98% of the new projects that you are doing, they won't work. They won't launch. Just zero your mind there. But the specific ones, especially those ones that I'll be doing the video on this channel, just believe you me, they are working. They are going to launch because For me to take out my time, the truth is nobody knows everything. I won't claim I am alpha and omega. I am all knowing that I can know or decide which one will work or which one won't work. But there are indications, there are ways we can know which one which is which. And even if they will work, don't expect them to give you money the way Notcoin did. Notcoin had so many backends, so many backends. Do you know what it is to have over $1 billion at launch? Notcoin has roughly over $1 billion at launch. So just this space is just sweet. Crypto is just sweet. You get crypto is just sweet. So congratulations, I've gotten 300,000 claim. Then let's go and complete the other task. Now I have my coin has increased to 2 million plus. All right, that's good. Let's go. Subscribe to the next channel, start mission. Go. Let's click on check. Let's join. Create the X handle. Open with X just once. Minimize it. Come back. Click on check. Click on check again. Give it 30 seconds for the countdown to. Okay. Give it 30 seconds. I think this one is going to give us approval immediately, but let's see. Just need to be a little patient. What is 30 seconds that you can't be patient for you to get 2 million more, 2 million tap swap? Even if it launches at 0.005, you should be sure if I'm making about $40 or thereabout out of each of these things you are doing. It's even if at least not let's not say it's something very big and humongous like that. But at least if these things come in daily, you can use to establish yourself, open up a business, get a new device, do certain pressing things that you've been pressed by phones now that you haven't been able to do. And then you are happy and joyous and what have you. You get so finish mission. Congratulations, you successfully completed the mission claim, and then we're good to go. So as you can see now, my coin has increased. I have about 2,300,000 and something thousand. So this is for Germany. I've completed all the tasks there. Then let's close this and change our location from the VPN once more. All right, let's change it to the last place, which is the United Kingdom. That is London. All right, so United Kingdom. Is it connected? Is it connected? Is it connected? Is it connected? Are we connected? All right, we're connected. All right, so let's go once more. So let's go once more. Let's go once more. United Kingdom tasks are not much. United Kingdom tasks are not much. I think it's just one. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's just one. That's it. We just need to follow just one channel and follow one X handle. But the way the whole massive loot is in the United States. You understand? The loot of the whole thing is in the United States. So let's just get it done. Okay. Okay. You see, like I said, it's just one. So let's just start mission. Start mission. Oh, what is this network? Okay. Let's do it again. Go. Go. Oh, this one's minimize. Come back. Join. check, check. All right, so let's just count down together. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Right. Let's check it again. Done. Why is this one holding us down like this now? Why is this one holding us like this? Well, I do. Have they discovered my trick? Have they discovered my trick? Have they discovered my trick? Yes. Let's try and open it again. Let's see if it will go. Let's try and open it again. Let's see if it will go through. Just once. I'm not following anybody. I'm not following anybody. Wow. Why is London doing us like this now? I don't want this video to be too long. But even if it is long, it's okay. At least you guys understand totally how this whole thing works. So you know what to expect. Normally, it doesn't really work like this. I don't know, probably it's because of the VPN or I don't know why Telegram is doing this one, but normally it doesn't take this much time. Just once you click on the link, you join the Telegram, then you click on the X handle, it will redirect you, open it, but you don't really follow them. If you want to follow them, it's your choice, but I don't really follow them. I just, once it redirects me and I follow the redirection truly, then I go back to Telegram, click on check, wait for 30 seconds, then click on the check again. Simple and short. Nothing major, nothing very, very technical or extraordinary like that. Get that shift first. Okay. Let's wait and see. 22. Um, okay, guys, that's it. We've gotten into finish mission and then let's claim. Claim. And voila, we're good to go. So presently, when we started the video, I had about 500,000, but now this is 2.6 million plus. Now the extra 100,000 money that came about what's it called? Because it was 300,000, 300 times 7 tasks, that's 2.1 million. So that's just it. That's how you guys do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Chukumi Kamerako, and expect more frequent updates from this channel as these things drop. Firstly, I'm going to create a playlist just like here. Let me just show you. I'll create a playlist for this whole tapping stuff. So if you come to our channel, you just go to content under playlists. Under this playlist here, for instance, you will see you see all these tapping stops. I'll create the playlist and I'll add the videos in there. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for liking, sharing. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. Our channel is growing, and we appreciate you guys that have been with us since the beginning. All right, till I come away in our next video. My name is Chukwem Kamera. This is bye for now.